Hi, good morning. I'm Shiva Teja. I'm from Nellore, Andhra Pradesh. I have completed my MCA. The stream is computer applications with the specialization of Master of Computer Applications with the percentage of 73 in 2021 and Trainee University Kuppam. And our trainers are very good, always supportive and completely professional. And BTM JSpiders BTM is one of the best institute to grow technically and non-technically too. And I was placed in Unmarking Solutions Private Limited. Thank you BTM branch. Once again, thank you.
Thanks for watching this video, and please do like, share and subscribe for our YouTube channel, and follow us on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter for the further updates. Thank you.